am back, and I showed you that I was going to make my mashed potatoes. When I just did my pantry chit chat, I said, I'm going to make my video on my mashed potatoes because mine are special. Well, not that special. Mine, I use the Idaho mashed potatoes. And I make, when I do the instant mashed potatoes, I do it with a little sour cream. So, that's what we're going to do. Anyway, I'm going to use a whole pouch, so it's going to call for 2 2/3 cups of cold water. We're going to turn that burner on, and with that, I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of butter in there with that, so that it boils. We're going to bring that to a boil. I'm going to put the lid on because that will make it boil a little bit faster. Now with that, we are going to definitely want to keep the potatoes and the milk close by. So I'm going to open these up. I'm going to leave these here so that they're close by. I'm going to put the fork out because we're going to need to use a nice fork. And that's it. All we got to do now is wait. Let me see my salt. All I got to do now is wait for that to boil, and I am going to put, there we go, a little bit of salt in there. Alright. So, when that boils, I will be back. See? These turn out wonderful, especially when you add a little bit of a sour cream, a little bit of onion powder, which I think I'm going to go ahead and add. I'm going to put a little onion powder right in here. Just a little. Just for flavor. Alright, so, till that gets to boiling, I'll be back. Okay friends, you can see that it's getting ready to boil real good. There we go. We're at full boil. So we're going to take that off the heat, put that right here. We're going to add 1 1/3 cups of milk. We're going to add this entire package of instant potatoes, and we're just going to mix it for about just to get it mixed. Okay? All right. Now it's just mixed. You can see that. We're going to put the lid on it, and we're going to leave it set for about a minute. So, give me 60 seconds and I'll be back. Okay friends, it's been a minute. So look at how fluffy these are. See how nice and fluffy those turn out? Beautiful. Okay, so now is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nice spoonful of sour cream. And I'm going to mix that in here. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of butter in there. A few. And I've got a little bit of curly parsley. I'm going to garnish it with that. Alright, that's how nice it turns out. See? And on Tuesday nights, I'd normally put this in a dish, but you know what? They're just going to serve themselves right out of the pans in the kitchen. So I'm going to put the lid on that and let that melt, and that will be wonderful. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple, and it turns out wonderful. And you know what? They'll never know they're instant. So, there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.